Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a room divider with shelves, so let's put it up. It comes completely assembled. You just have to slide the shelves on. So let's put it up and take a look. Okay, you just open it up, slide the shelves in, and then adjust. And there you go. This is very easy to insert the shelves into. It does help if you have two people. This is so sturdy. This is not going anywhere. I love that it's collapsible. Let's take some close-up looks. Okay, this is just gorgeous. The craftsmanship on this is incredible. It's handmade, and the wood is something that's very durable called Paulownia. And so it's great and super sturdy, super beautiful. The shelves are awesome, and you can use these to display all of your items, or you can just leave it blank if you want and just have the gorgeous wood shine through. This is so awesome for every space. And so it's very tall. I'm going to show you in a minute with some people in it so that you can see the height. I'm 5'7" for reference. Rob is 6'1", so you can see this is plenty high and it's going to cover all of your items. Now let's put this away, collapse it, and take it to a different location and see what it looks like. This is also great for a kitchen if you're having a party. You can just hide all of your mess. Love that this is so easy to move. It's lightweight yet sturdy, and you have the option of using the shelf. This is absolutely incredible. Definitely check this one out.